what's up, man? You doing all right?
Yeah. What's up?
What's your name?
Troy.
Troy?
Yeah.
Can you step over here for us real quick?
For what, sir? Can I ask you why?
Yeah, I'll tell you in just a second. Stand up for me.
I'm blowing up my tires right
All
now.
right, well, let go of it.
Right. I need to know. No, stop. Yo, why are you guys doing this?
Stop.
What did I do?
You got a warrant.
How do I have a warrant?
Put your hands behind your back.
How do I have a warrant? No! What the What the What did I do?
We're telling you what you did.
Hey, you guys just came over here and just assaulted me.
Well, I asked what your name was, and you said.
Charlie, this ain't right. No, this ain't right. Hey! Ah! Why do I have a warrant?
Give us the channel. You signal 48.
Dude! Why do I have a warrant?
Relax.
I didn't do
Now you're resisting, so yeah.
No, I'm not! I just want to know the reason why. Sir, please! Come on!
How hard was that, man?
I just wanted to know the reason why!
Possess that knife?
Yeah, I do.
Where? Where? What is it?
Gun.
Where?
On my waist.